guys, it's Kendra. So welcome back to our channel, and by the title of the video we're going to be doing a products video. We're going to be talking about all about body care, corrective body care to be specific. And this is like one of my favorite types of products to purchase every time like I'm on Amazon or I'm at Target. Like I always make sure I repurchase these products because they have been so effective for my body, and just my skin in general just feels and looks so much better. So if you guys have struggled with discoloration, like skin texture, like keratosis pilaris, or like those little bumps like behind your arms or your thighs, if you're trying to get rid of any of those things, then you've clicked on the right video, because I'm going to be talking about all of my favorite corrective body care products. And I'm going to try to make this brief and simple because I hate being like bombarded or overwhelmed with products when someone's recommending me things. So I'm going to try to like keep each category like down to like 1 to 2 products. And as always, every product will be linked in the description box if you guys are interested. So we're just going to hop right into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is body wash. And I know that sounds super simple and you don't think it would make a difference because it's a rinse off product. But if you're someone who's constantly struggling with like your skin on your body, if it's super sensitive, like if you have super sensitive like skin on your face, then 9 times out of 10 your body skin is probably also sensitive. So if you're using like body washes with fragrance, I would recommend that using a fragrance-free body wash will make a world of a difference. Just switching out your body wash, I think you'll start to feel and see a difference even before using actives like on your body when you get out of the shower. So the one I want to recommend today is this one from Dove. The lighting's probably too bright, but this one is their ultra sensitive gentle all over cleanse body wash. I think this kind of product, as simple as it sounds, it's a game changer for your in-shower routine, because fragrance, if you have sensitive skin, fragrance is going to increase hyperpigmentation, it's going to increase sensitivity, and your skin is not going to be even or smooth to the texture as well. So I do think something like this will make a huge difference. You don't have to use this specific one, but any body wash that's fragrance free, I highly recommend. This one I've been loving though, because I'm someone who likes, you know, bubbles and like the suds. So this one does get nice and foamy like I like. But you can use any other brands like Cetaphil, Eucerin has one. Like there's so many brands that have a fragrance-free body wash, but this Dove one I really enjoy. It says it has 10 essential ingredients and it's fragrance-free. So yes, highly recommend a fragrance-free body wash first. So in the shower, if you're still using like a bunch of active things out of the shower and you're using like a super perfumey body wash, you're probably not gonna get the results you're looking for. So start with fragrance-free body wash. So next I want to talk about exfoliating. Exfoliating is a huge game changer when it comes to the texture of your skin. If you guys are wanting smooth, baby soft skin and you're not exfoliating, then that is probably one of your issues. You need some kind of exfoliator, whether it's like a gentle exfoliator. Some people like body scrubs. I'm not using body scrubs as often as I used to, so I still do love the KP Duty one from First Aid Beauty. I'll just pop that on the screen somewhere. I don't have it right here, it's downstairs in my shower. I still love that, but I've cut down to like maybe once a week using that, and then like 2 other days I'll use a chemical exfoliator for my body. And the 2 that I want to refer to are these 2. These are tried and true. If you guys are looking for an effective chemical exfoliator, these 2 from The Ordinary and Paula's Choice I highly recommend. So this first one from Paula's Choice is a salicylic acid one. I'm sure you guys have seen this product a million times, but it's highly talked about because it's very effective and it doesn't irritate the skin, at least for me, because I've used this on my face for years. But like about, I want to say like 8 months ago, I started using it on my body skin, like behind my arms, on my legs. This is their 2% BHA liquid and it says skin perfecting. So you're going to get a nice even texture. I'm telling y'all, if y'all use this like 3 times a week when you first start using it, and then cut down to maybe like twice a week, even once a week, you're going to see and feel a difference. So if you guys aren't familiar with salicylic acid, if you have body acne, this is the product you need to be using. If you are trying to get rid of like acne or any kind of body acne anywhere, because it's going to unclog the pores. That's what salicylic acid does. So if you're looking for something for that specific issue, then go with this one. If you're looking to even your skin tone and smooth, both of these products give you smooth skin, but they still do two different things. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid, this is their 7% exfoliating toner. This is great for like your face skin. I don't use this on my face though. I use a different exfoliator for my face, but this I like to use under my arms. If you're looking to get a more even look under your arms, this one works really, really well. I will say you have to be extremely consistent to see a difference, but I prefer that. I don't like those products that work like super fast, because they're gonna cause more harm than good, because they're gonna increase like the sensitivity of your skin and make it super like, you know, irritated. This is like a gentle version of a glycolic acid, at least to me. And I like to use this about 3 times a week underneath my arms. This also doubles as a deodorant because I think it helps with sweat and odor. So if you're looking for something to kind of help replace your deodorant, maybe try this. I just put it on a cotton pad, but if I'm in the shower, like I'll keep this in the shower sometimes and then just put it on like my bare hands and just pat underneath my arms, because that helps to not waste the product. So I highly recommend this if you're looking to even out your skin tone. You can also use this on your knees and your elbows if you're looking to even out your skin there. So this is super, super effective for discoloration. Next, I want to talk about lotions and body creams that are in like the corrective body care category that I think have made a world of a difference for me. And the first one I'm going to talk about is, I think this is probably my favorite lotion. And that's saying a lot because you guys know I'm a huge, huge fan of Nivea lotions. I love the skin firming. I love the essentially enriched. Like, Nivea body lotions are fantastic. I also love the Eucerin reparative lotion, the one with the red top. Those are fantastic just to moisturize the skin. But if you are looking for a one-stop shop and you've tried like the 2 chemical exfoliators that I just mentioned and your skin's a little too sensitive for that, and you just want an all-in-one product, you need Amlactin. This lotion I'm obsessed with. Just when I thought my skin couldn't get any softer, and I'm someone who prides myself on having very soft skin. I've gotten compliments, many, and I think this lotion has just took it to another level. This is their Daily Nourish 12% for rough, dry skin, 12% lactic acid body lotion. Y'all, you need this if you are a lazy body care kind of person, like if you're someone who doesn't like steps. If you just want to use this fragrance-free body wash and then this lotion and you want to be done, you're good to go. Because I do that many times during the week when I don't feel like doing all the steps. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I just do these 2 and I just feel like a queen even just with 2 steps. You don't need like 13 products in the bathroom to have an effective body skincare routine. So this one I highly recommend if you're starting out. I am gonna bump up to the bottle with like the blue accents because I know that one has more lactic acid. So I'm gonna go with that one like once I'm done with this bottle, because I've gone through quite a few of these and I think it's made a world of a difference. If you guys aren't familiar with lactic acid, it's like the most gentle form of a chemical exfoliator and it's really hydrating. So lactic acid is great for sensitive skin if you guys are looking for something that's not super intense, because the other 2 are a little bit stronger than this one as far as chemical exfoliators, because glycolic and salicylic are extremely effective as far as like how fast they work, and lactic acid just works a little bit slower, but it's still effective if you're consistent. And I really, really enjoy this one. It does not have a smell, so I highly recommend that you try this one if you're looking for something that's hydrating, moisturizing, and chemical exfoliating. Then you need this. It immediately moisturizes and restores the skin's radiance. It gently exfoliates and it deeply hydrates, like I just mentioned. It's fragrance free and paraben free. So if you're looking for an exfoliating and hydrating lotion, then this one is the one for you. I've ordered so many on Amazon. Sometimes you can find it in Target, but I haven't seen it at every Target. So check your Target if you want to look in store, but it's definitely on Amazon. So I highly recommend the Amlactic Daily Nourishing 12% Lactic Acid Lotion. Love, love this lotion. I can't speak more highly of this lotion. If I try, I can make a whole video on this lotion. That's how much I love it. So this is gonna give you the softest skin of your life. Next, I want to talk about retinol for the body. You guys need some form of retinol in your body care routine. I think a good lotion or a body cream is a good start. You can use body serum, and I do love body serums, but again, if you want less steps, just go in with the lotion or cream. So the first one I want to mention is from Naturium, and this is the Skin Renewing Retinol Body Lotion. I have used this the least amount of time out of all the products in this video, so I do want to preface this by saying I'm not sure if this is the most effective body retinol, but I do like it as a body moisturizer, and it just helps that it has retinol in it. Like, I just feel good knowing that I'm doing all that I can for my body skin. And retinol is like top tier when it comes to anti-aging anything. If you want even tone skin, if you want like smooth skin that's like fine line free, retinol is the way to go. This one is fragrance free. You guys know I'm a huge advocate for fragrance free because of my sensitive skin, and I've used like a fragrance body care routine, and that was not conducive for the results that I was looking for. So fragrance free body care is the way to go for me. So this is also fragrance free. I got this from Amazon. I also saw it at Target. If you guys see it in there, pick it up. This does have shea butter, but the main thing I love about this one, because retinol is known for being like on the drier side, like it dries the skin out. This lotion is so nourishing. It leaves like the nicest sheen on the skin. Like, it gives you like a nice glow for it to be a lotion. So it feels like it has some kind of like oils in it as well. It does say seed oil. Yes, it says seed oil. So I knew it has some kind of oil in it because this gives the skin like a glow. For it to be a lotion, it's not like super lightweight. It's very nourishing. So I love the texture of this. I love the sheen that it gives my skin, and I do think as I keep using it, I'm gonna see even better results. So if you're looking for something to even out the skin tone and just smooth it out, a retinol body cream or lotion is the way to go. So I love that this one has encapsulated retinol, which means that it's going to probably work slower, but this is probably good for sensitive skin because you don't want an intense retinol, because retinol, like I said, it dries the skin out. And if you have super reactive skin, this is the way to go because your skin won't like react badly to it, I don't think. Yes, this is really, really good. Again, this is my newest product, so I don't want to say I've seen like life-changing results, but I will say I enjoy using this product, and that's the number one most important thing when you're trying all these products. You want to enjoy using them, and I really enjoy using this one for like the past like 2 weeks. Next retinol body product is from the brand Versed, and I did not purchase this. This came in a PR package, but as soon as I saw it, I was like, wait, that looks like something I really, really want to try. This is the Press Restart Advanced Retinol Body Butter. This is really, really nice. This is kind of similar to the Naturium one, but this is like more whippy in texture. For this to be like in a lotion packaging, I do think that this is thicker than this one. So if you like a thicker like cream, you're gonna like this because it's very nourishing and, you know, thick in texture. But this one is like more on the whippy side, even though it's like they could have put this in like a squeeze bottle. But I do like that it's in this packaging. It's like a nice lightweight cream, and it does have like a nice natural shea butter smell. Like, it smells just like cocoa butter, if I'm being quite honest. Like, if you guys have smelled any Palmer's product, that's what this smells like. This is extremely lightweight. This is probably more lightweight than the Naturium one. So if you like a lightweight product, if you don't like that greasy kind of feel, like you don't like any kind of oils, this one is for you, because this is extremely lightweight. When you first put it on, you get a nice glow, but it dries super fast. I can't really describe it. It's just extremely lightweight but nourishing at the same time. So if you guys are looking for something on the more lightweight side for a body retinol, then the Versed one is the way to go. And this does have tripeptide and Takuma butter. I'm not sure what Takuma butter is, but peptides are good for any skin, face skin, body skin, because it's very hydrating. And yes, this is very good if you're looking for a lightweight product. And honestly, any body retinol product is essential when you're going into like the colder months. I'm gonna up my retinol body care like routine when it gets more in the colder months because I'm not showing as much skin. So when you're more exposed to the sun, I recommend using Retinol Body Care. I would say more like once a week, and then bump it up to like 3 times a week when it gets cold outside, because it does increase like sensitivity. And even though these are lightweight, you still want to be cautious and protect the skin, which leads me to my next product for Corrective Body Care. If you're going to be using any of these products, especially the chemical exfoliators and the retinol, y'all need to be using body sunscreen. So this is a fantastic one for the body. I recommend a cream sunscreen if you're going to be out in the sun with your arms or legs out, or any kind of skin out. This one is the 100 Body and Face Broad Spectrum SPF from La Roche-Posay. This is their Anthelios line, and this is a fantastic sunscreen. It's water resistant, it's fragrance free, and you guys will really enjoy this as like an all over like protector for the skin, especially like I said, if you're using these actives on the body, because there's no point in using all this and going out in the sun in the daytime, because it's going to increase sensitivity and make like any of like your discoloration or any body acne is going to make it worse. So please protect your skin, because that's what's going to keep your skin smooth and even for longer, and it's going to of course protect it from skin cancer or any kind of environmental factors that are not safe for the skin. So sunscreen is the way to go. So that is also why I wanted to include this in this Corrective Body Care video, because I want to be responsible with recommending these products to you guys, and responsibilities in sunscreen. So you need sunscreen for your body just as much as you do for your face, of course. And I also quickly want to mention this Supergoop Play One, this antioxidant body mist with vitamin C. Corrective Body Care is essential in reapplication as well when it comes to sunscreen. Even though I'm not always reapplying, do as I say, not as I do, but I do have this on hand. I'm not gonna lie, I use this more when I'm like out of town on vacation. Just to be honest, I'm not out in the sun like that like I used to be. I'm a homebody and I don't be out like that, but when I need this, it's here. I do like that it's a spray, but I would not recommend this as like your only source of sunscreen, even though this is an SPF 50, which is great. I do think something like this is more protective, like for in a cream form, and this is just reapplication purposes. And I do like that this has vitamin C in it, because vitamin C does increase the efficacy of sunscreen. So if you guys are looking for something like that, then this Supergoop Play One is great. And antioxidants are just really good for the skin. They're great for anti-aging and evening out the skin tone. So yes, love this one. Doesn't have a smell either. It's water resistant as well. So love that. And that was my last product. Like I said, I wanted to breeze through this for you guys and give you like my go-to products and some new ones that I've been loving in my Corrective Body Care collection. I try to keep it small and minimal because I hate being overwhelmed by products, and I'd like to help you guys, you know, dwindle down what you think you should be using on a daily to weekly basis. So I highly recommend all of these if you're looking to get smooth, healthy, soft, amazing skin. All these are highly recommended by me. If you guys want more body care videos, let me know what other kind of product videos you want to see, and let me know what are some of your favorite body care products. Like, what has changed your life? Like, what's the best, like even like stuff that I didn't mention, like deodorants or anything that I haven't mentioned in this video. Let me know if you would recommend it. Again, the products will all be linked in the description box if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.